Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for September. And in here we've got this that tells you some of the information about some of the items in your box. Allure is a monthly subscription box with samples and some full-size products from Allure magazine. This first one is Dry Conditioner Instant Moisture Conditions Dry Hair to Control Frizz. It smells good. It smells good and it feels good, and I will definitely be using this because I've got a lot of frizz and we're getting into sort of damp weather in Seattle and I'm going to be needing it. So we got that. Then we have LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, which I do have a cleansing balm that I'm using right now. So this will be my backup. But you know, I will need some more eventually, so that'll be my backup. Here is La Roche-Posay. I don't know if that's how you say it, but that's how I just said it. And it is light fluid sunscreen, water resistant in 40 minutes. So, and that does look like a little sample size. This looks like a full size. That's kind of a nice size of that. Then we've got Twist Up Eyeliner from Cleo Noir. Ooh, that is pretty. Okay, so that's sort of a plum color, which I could wear that with this look that I got going on here. We got a couple more things. We have a e.l.f. highlighting brush. I've never tried e.l.f. brushes before, so I've tried a lot of e.l.f. things, but not products, but not their brushes. So, and it says cruelty free, so that's cool. Then we've got Volume and Curl Mascara by Allure Beauty. So this is a full-size mascara. I'm actually running low. I ran out of a couple mascaras. So getting a new one's kind of cool. And then one sheet mask. And that is everything in the Allure box. Let me know what you think, or if you get it, or if you're thinking about getting it, or if you have questions, let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.